Today's GitHub trending board has a clear winner, Trivy. The bigger pattern is infrastructure and systems, frameworks and app tooling, and AI and agent workflows. The bigger editorial move is that the board is clustering into 4 clear themes, with infrastructure and systems leading the way. That is why this feels like a real news brief instead of a repo-by-repo transcript. The top project still matters because its README, release trail, and recent activity back up the attention. Infrastructure and systems clusters Trivy, Plain, and Amlogic S9XXX Armbian, with 345 stars today across 3 repos. Frameworks and app tooling clusters Caddy, Rustdesk, and Grdb.swift, with 235 stars today across 3 repos. AI and agent workflows is led by OpenBB, with 82 stars today. So what? The board is clustering by use case, which makes the trend easier to read than a flat list of names. The broader board covers 8 source-checked repos across 4 editorial themes. The language mix is 2 Go repos, 2 Python repos, 1 Rust repo, 1 Swift repo. That matters because a mixed language board usually points to several developer workflows moving at once, not just one narrow niche. So what? The board is easier to trust when the README, release, and activity trail all point to the same use case. When I read GitHub trending, I split attention from adoption. Stars today tell us what is moving now, the README, release trail, and recent activity tell us whether the repo is worth a closer look. Today the board is clustering around clear use cases, which is a stronger signal than a raw star count alone. If the README, release trail, and recent activity line up, it earns the spotlight. If they do not, it stays on the watch list. On the next refresh, I will check whether the same themes stay near the top, whether a new cluster appears, and whether the leaders still have a live maintenance trail. If the same names keep showing up, that is a sign the theme is durable rather than random. That is the cleanest way to tell whether today's board is a one-day spike or a real shift. Quick note, this is commentary only, not software endorsement. Treat it as a source-checked starting point, then review the license, security history, release notes, and recent activity before deciding whether it belongs in your workflow. The goal is to help you verify fit, not replace your own review. Before you use it, check the source trail yourself. Keep the final decision with your own due diligence.